Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one, this is our. Correct. Number two, are you good? Basketball? What's that word with two letters? Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Our classroom is warm and quiet. Our classroom is warm and quiet. Classroom. A classroom is a place where students learn. Now we can make a flashcard for classroom and remember it forever. Please make a flashcard like this. Write classroom up here in the top left corner. CLASSROOM. Down here, N1. This means noun, level 1. And over here, the number 39 out of 200. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Class. Room. Classroom. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is good at playing tennis. Jennifer is good at playing tennis. Jennifer is good at playing tennis. This means she can play tennis very well. Now we can make a flashcard for be good at. Here, playing is optional. Jennifer is good at tennis is also correct. Bob is good at speaking Japanese. Bob is good at Japanese. Both are correct. And this is also correct. Swimming is like a noun here. Please make a card like this. The basic form, be good at something. Doing is optional. Down here, adjid 1. This means adjective, idiom, level 1. Over here, the number 5 out of 7. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Good. At. Good at. Game over. You are very good at speaking English. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words. Number 1 is money, but the bills? Cash, correct. Number 2, Bob is he's not intelligent. He's not a good person. F, correct. A fool. Number 3, can you say it? To cooperate. This means to do what people tell you to do. Today is Wednesday, September 17th. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny. If you like this video, please share. See you tomorrow.